Hello and welcome back. Last time I showed you a website which included CSS and HTML. This time around I'm going to show you a website which incorporates JavaScript along with the other two languages. To do this, I will show you a website which I created. This is the website that I created. This includes HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This page is much more interactive than the previous one. For example, every time I refresh the page, the background image changes, as you can see. As well as that, when I refresh the page, the special offer menu changes. This is all done through JavaScript. It is also much more interactive with the navbar. As well as all these other features, I also have buttons. When these buttons run, it runs a function. Okay, it totals up the value of whichever button is clicked. For example, when I click this button, I get a pop-up that says I've selected the pasta, which my total price is now $16.95. I'll hit OK. When I click the steak, now it says you've selected the steak, and now your total is $42.45. So that is including the pasta. So there's a running total on this web page. I also included a gallery that automatically changes every couple of seconds. This is also done using JavaScript. And finally, I have a really impressive feature right here in the booking page. When I fill out this form, it will print out a receipt for me on the web page. So for example, I will enter 5 p.m. in between 5 seats, sorry. I'll enter 5 p.m. I'm hitting in between the ranges. Just check the boxes like so. Choose my starter, choose my main, choose my dessert, and yes, I am booking a table. I will also use a voucher code, which is A8H4. So 8, capital H, and a 4. I will select a phony details here, just any old number, and any year. Okay, so when I click this button, confirm purchase, it will read in all these values which I've entered and will output a receipt. It will also give me a pop-up menu, pop-up box. Your payment has been received of $31.05. That was the price of the menu. Please select OK to view your receipt. I will tick the box OK. And now it prints out the receipt for me. This is a very impressive function. As you can see here, it gives me the full receipt. What I paid for, with the voucher deal that I got, my preference number, all that kind of crack. I will now open up Notepad++ and show you the code for this. As previous, I have all my HTML pages like so up the top, but I also, as well as having a CSS styling page, I have a JavaScript file page, which is denoted by the .js. I'll open up this. As you can see here, I have it all sectioned off. I have all my different functions, all my different variables, okay, with my doubles, my integers, all the different kind of functions. This was the running total that totaled up the pasta and the steak menu, as you can see here. This JavaScript file is quite large, as you can see. There's been a lot of effort put into this. But the most important thing about JavaScript is there is no limit. There is no, you're only capable of what you're capable of doing. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my blogs.